Artificial Intelligence by Olivia Monroe. History behind artificial intelligence.
In the 1940s, people studied the idea of connectionism, which is a developed concept to study the idea of thinking. Alan Turing wrote about a thinking machine which could carry out a conversation like a human. Since then, there have been many attempts to find a way to imitate the human brain. However, it wasn't until the 1990s that speech recognition patterns were developed and AI started to really take off. The 1990s saw the introduction of intelligent agents, which was used for online shopping and browsing the internet. We also saw the introduction of virtual assistants. Currently, the giant tech companies such as Google, Facebook, IBM and Microsoft are researching a number of AI projects which will become integrated into our everyday life, which I will talk about later.
There are many challenges with AI. One of the main issues is trust. If these companies are collecting data on us, such as banks, will this data be used responsibly and not abused? As we see more AI developed, this will become a bigger question. This also causes concerns for data privacy and security. Another issue would be whether AI can really replace humans. Humans do have qualities that AI doesn't have, such as decision making. Humans make decisions because of what they experienced. Will AI be able to do this? Is it possible to program a robot to do this? As AI is developing, many people's jobs are at risk. Oxford Economics claimed from a study in 2013 that up to 20 million manufacturing jobs worldwide will be lost to robots by 2030. A benefit from AI is in the world of medicine. An AI algorithm has been developed whereby you can take a photo of an X-ray with your phone and then you can receive an immediate diagnosis. This will make it easier and quicker to diagnose people who have diseases. Computers are already more accurate than humans in making the diagnosis. In daily life, our shopping experiences will change. For example, supermarkets will change. Amazon are already working on a new kind of supermarket called Amazon Go, where all you need is an app. You scan yourself in. On the ceilings are sensors and cameras that follow what we choose or what we put back to build a profile of what we buy so it can make future suggestions. We just pick up what we want and then leave the shop without going through a checkout, and a receipt is sent to our phone. An example of artificial intelligence found in a movie would be The Matrix. The Matrix is a movie where humans fight against computers. Tom Sanderson, a computer programmer, is led to fight an underground war against powerful computers. These computers have constructed an entire reality with a system called the Matrix. The film resembles how powerful AI can be developed into and how powerful it could become in the future, possibly even more powerful than humans. The book The Rise of the Robots by Martin Ford is a book about the consequences behind robots replacing human-manufactured jobs, and is also an example of a book or movie about artificial. Philosophy of artificial intelligence. Can a computer be intelligent? First of all, I would ask myself what the true meaning of intelligence really is. Now, a simple definition would be that intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. Now, knowing this, could you consider a computer of being intelligent? This has been debated since the 1950s, when Alan Turing created the Turing test, and he also claimed that computers can be intelligent. You could argue that today's machines and computers are intelligent due to artificial intelligence. Ethics behind artificial intelligence. Is it morally right to replace human workers with machines and robots? Quoted by Malik. The important thing to keep in mind is that it is not man versus machine. It is not a competition, it is a collaboration. If we use machines as a tool, it can be morally ambitious, such as a knife.